Hey y'all want to see how I got this cute look? Y'all, this was right before the Beyonce concert, and I think I did a really good job with this Chloe inspired ponytail with my locks. It looks so cute. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. But first, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, like and comment, talk to me. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. Hey y'all, so I'm back in Tennessee. These things keep sliding. But I'm back in Tennessee, and hey y'all, I'm back in Tennessee. These things keep sliding on my face. But I'm about to get ready for the Beyonce concert. I don't even know what these really do for your face, but I decided that I'm gonna try to do a makeup tutorial and a hair tutorial. And so my hair is gonna be inspired by Chloe Bailey right here. When she, I think it was a Grammys or something. So she looked like she had like 5 or 4 or 6, I don't know, 4 or 5 or 6 cornrows going straight to the back, and then she just had puffy hair in the back. So I'm gonna just part my hair off into sections. So I got 5 braids, 1 in the middle and 2 on each side. I got my Murray's edge wax, some bobby pins, my brush and my edge brush, some scissors, some gel, I don't know, some water with some lavender oil in it, rubber bands, and my hair scarf. Can you hear my hair on the floor? And I got 2 packs of the Cuban twist hair in the colors, thank you, 227 and 613. So it's like the same color that I used when I've been doing my Senegalese, my invisible locks, all that stuff. So make sure y'all watch those videos too. And if y'all made this far, please subscribe. Please subscribe, like, comment. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair off, and I'll be back. Okay y'all, so this again is sped up. Don't want to bore y'all too much, but this is my little water, my little concoction I make. It's just water and some lavender oil, and I just want to put that on my hair just so it could be a little more bendy, you know, more manageable, whatever. This my mama section off my hair. So like I said, I was gonna do 2 on each side and then 1 down the middle. I think Chloe had like 6, so 3 on each side, but I'm gonna do 1 in the middle, 2 on each side. And so my mom just parting it. And if you got locks, y'all already know, like, when you try to part your hair for a style, it's not gonna be perfect. So just toss it out the window. Like, it's not gonna be perfect. And then, like, your stuff don't have to be exactly like anybody else's. Like, I saw Chloe's picture and I knew I wanted something similar, so I did whatever I need to do to get there. So started at one point, I knew I need to get to that point. I did whatever I need to do in the middle to get there. So, you know, use people's stuff as inspiration. Don't beat yourself up too much if it don't come out exactly the way it looked like on somebody else, because it's your original creation. Like, it's how you do it. And I've seen other videos on how people did their Chloe inspired lock, ponytail and everything different. My locks are different length, my partings are different, so like it's not gonna look like nobody else's, you know what I'm saying? Even if you watch this video, yours not gonna look exactly like mine. But if y'all do this, make sure y'all, you know, show me, let me know in the comments, and I'll come look at it. But this is after my mom parted everything. And then so off camera, we went ahead and did the middle braid. And so I'm using like a little bit of gel, not too much, just so like it could like cut down on all the frizziness. I wanted to look as sleek as possible, even though it's not gonna look that sleek. But you know, he did what he needs to do. So like, okay, so look, I got my mirror up looking. I'm really particular when my mom do my hair. I'm very like, you know, I be coaching her to do it how I want it, right? I just feel like it would be faster if she did it. But like, y'all see how this braid is so little? I was not feeling that. Like, I'm okay with the middle braid being a little thicker than the side braids, but it was just too small. Like, it didn't look uniform at all. So I was like, nah, we gotta do this over. So y'all see now the braids a little thicker. So we went through and just fed in some of the Cuban twist hair, right? And this hair color combination works so well for me, y'all. And y'all see in my other videos that y'all need to go watch, you know. That I always use color combination. It depends on how long it's been since I color my hair. So like, if I color my hair, I'll probably just use I wouldn't use a mix. I think I would, whatever the blonde color is, I would just use that. I wouldn't use a mix. But this mix works perfectly for when my hair has like grown out a little bit or whatever. So I'm basically teaching my mom how to feed in the braid. So you put it in, you braid it on one side, the other side of the piece is gonna be not tucked, and then when you come back around for the other side again, you pull it down, if that makes sense. So if y'all want to know how to feed into some locks, this is how you do it right here. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna listen to what I gotta say next. Bye. Okay, y'all, so my mom just finished it. So we end up adding hair to the ones on the side because I feel like this was way too big. It's still a little bigger than the other ones, but I still feel like they look a little bit more, right? Mm-hmm. And so it also helps because it'll contribute to my ponytail. Yep. And so this will be like this, and I'm just gonna add the hair in. So let's go ahead and get that going. Move this out the way. I'm just gonna make this a little more slick in the back. So y'all know how I like to start in the middle of the ponytail and pull out. So I can make sure it's as tight as possible. I'm gonna do the same thing. So I take a few out the middle. Thanks. And then I'm just gonna pull them as tight as I can. Probably gonna do 2 ponytails. So I'm gonna do this one just by itself. Like this. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of gel and hold on, please. Why can't come here? I'm sorry. Can you just put this in my hand? Put it in the camera. Thank you. My mom like, that's no. I was about to say my mom, ladies and gentlemen, and you. That was too much. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right. My mom, ladies and gentlemen. And then this is my brush. Mm-hmm. Yes. And I'm just gonna brush my little kitchens up. Just make sure it's tight, and I'm gonna get. Can you do like the little double rubber band thing? Mm-hmm. I wish I had three hands, y'all. Thank you. I just like to have a little reinforcement on my ponytail. And so I'm gonna try to put up a little higher, like that, and then it's gonna like this, and it should be pretty tight, but we can still pull, but it feels really tight, honestly. And then I'm gonna get this at the bottom. And then double rubber band it, and then we just gotta pull it tight and put this out.
Supposed to be a ball,
no. This looks so nappy, y'all. Is all it is? The front of the rubber now.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Okay. So it's looking like this. So now let's figure out how to get this hair on. We ain't open both packs, did we?
You want me to open the other one?
So I guess depending on how thick you want your ponytail, it depends on your packs. I got 2 packs of the 16-inch. So if I really wanted to,
yeah, that's probably gonna be thick enough.
yeah, you wanted me to put more.
Well, hers was like really big.
Excuse me. Okay, so how do people do it? Okay, so you're gonna basically take a rubber band and hold it like this for me. And we're gonna take the rubber band like this, pull it around, and we're gonna grab it so it could be like this, right? I got it. So like a little attachable ponytail. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. So we're just gonna put this around the ponytail. Y'all see? And then we're gonna pull the hair through. And it's a tight rubber band, so it should just stay like that, right? And then we're gonna take a little piece of the hair, and I think I might actually braid it. We're gonna braid this, and then we're gonna wrap it around just to keep up with the theme of the braid. What do you think, Marley? Cute?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay, and we're just gonna braid it. Well, I can't really do it this here if I try to pull. And then we're just gonna wrap it around town. And the end of it is gonna be loose, of course, but I don't know, y'all. I'm just doing something at this point. Mom, can you tell me how this look? Before I put the bobby pin on?
I'm liking that.
No, the way it look around, or does it not matter?
Why don't you braid? Did you braid that part too? Yeah, I like it braided. Braid it all the way. That's gonna look cute. And then braid another piece to make it bigger.
Should I just braid one of these?
Well, if you don't have to open it, don't open it.
No, it's a pack that's not open. That just. Oh, it's all in my hair. You think it's gonna take away from how thick my thing is?
But that one just need to braid one more so the braid will be big.
Go ahead, can you braid me?
Like right here.
Go on the other, go from the bottom, please. Okay, so now I got my braid. I don't know if I can see. I'll do some close-ups later, but now I'm about to do my edges, y'all. I'm rushing, oh my gosh. So we're just gonna use my Murray's. And since I'm going to a concert, I might actually put a little bit of Got to Be Glued on top because I don't want it to mess up, you know? I'm gonna put a little bit back here.
Oh, this looks
I'm gonna try to do the S one. My little S one. Instead of going all the way back. Okay. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. And I'm also gonna do my S on the side, but I'm about to, and I'm also gonna put my headscarf on top, y'all, but I am literally rushing, so I'll be back with the end results. Okay, y'all, so my hair is finished. I didn't do a tutorial on my makeup, but y'all see, I did record on my phone, so maybe I'll post it to TikTok or something. But this is the finished look, y'all, but yeah, you know. It's a Beyonce tour, so I gotta bring it. It's Renaissance, so you know I've got the silver, you know. But anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'm open to trying new things, and yes, let me know how y'all had, what kind of time y'all had at the Beyonce concert, cause I know I'm gonna have fun. But until next time, y'all, bye. Mom. So y'all, this is the whole fit. Like, so cute. If y'all want the details, I got y'all. But I got a little, you know, flick in the mirror before I left for the concert. I got the little tattoos on my arm. Y'all see the details? Y'all see the details? This is me a little up close. I might post a short of how I did my makeup because I did record my makeup. I did on my phone. So I got y'all. Like, look at it. Look at the material, y'all. I look so cute. I felt so sexy. Like, the concert was amazing. If y'all went to the concert, if y'all going to the concert, y'all in for a treat. This is me, my little clear purse, my shoes, all that. Cute, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at Bree G, all that. See y'all later. Bye.